Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials done fast, back up everything and enable developer options. Once done, turn on OEM unlock and USB debugging so the phone will accept fastboot commands. Install ADB and fastboot tools on your computer, then verify the device model and bootloader status. Make sure the battery is above 50% and use the original cable for a stable connection. Now power into bootloader to confirm the device is recognized before moving to downloads and flashing. You next download the correct factory image for your exact model and build. This prevents incompatibility. Verify the file with its SHA-256 checksum, then extract the image and read the included flash steps. Boot the phone into fastboot mode, and if needed, unlock the bootloader with Fastboot OEM Unlock or Fastboot Flashing Unlock. Run the provided flash scripts or issue Fastboot flash commands for bootloader, radio, vendor, system, and user data in order, pausing if any command errors occur so you can inspect logs. Once flashing finishes, you reboot the device and let the system complete first boot initialization. This can take several minutes. Make sure you sign into your Google account and restore your backup, then re-enable security features like fingerprint and PIN. If everything is stable, consider relocking the bootloader, but only do that after confirming the older Android works reliably. If the phone won't boot or is stuck, use recovery mode to clear cache. Reflash the boot image or connect to OEM recovery tools. This is the single most useful troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.